Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove and replace the straps on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just press these buttons at the back of the Xiaomi Band 10 to remove the straps from your smart band. Just like that. Just press the button and it detaches the straps from your smart band. Just like that. Now from here, you can replace the straps with another band. Now to attach the straps back to the band, just insert this pin in the band, just like that. And as you can see, these are the buttons from where you can detach the straps from your smart band. And this is how you can remove and replace the straps on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.